Bubonic plague case reported in China, and the internet users asked what's next from China for 2020. The suspected bubonic plague case was reported on Sunday in a hospital in Bayannur, China. The local health authority announced that the warning period will continue until the end of 2020. The bubonic plague, which first appeared in 14th century after the Chinese city in the country's Inner Mongolia region reported the first suspected case of bubonic plague, and it is also called as Black Death. Bayannur, the Inner Mongolia Autonomous Region, which is a city in northern China, on Sunday sounded an alert after a suspected case of bubonic plague reported. On July 1st, the news agency said that the two suspected cases of bubonic plague reported in Kovet province is in Western Mongolia, and this has been confirmed by the lab test results. The confirmed cases are a 17-year-old and a 27-year-old male residents. The two persons ate marmot meat, and this was announced by the health officials. Around 146 people who came into contact with the infected persons have been quarantined. Bubonic plague is a rare but serious bacterial infection transmitted by fleas from rodents. And this disease can be transmitted to other animals or humans. It mainly results from the bite of an infected flea. It may also result from the exposure of body fluids from the dead plague-infected animal. This plague is caused by the bacterium Yersinia pestis. It is spread by the Yersinia pestis bacteria and requires urgent hospitalization. According to the World Health Organization, it can kill an adult in less than 24 hours if not treated in time. Without treatment, the plague can result in the death of 30 to 60% of the infected persons. Let's look into the symptoms. The person who is infected with bubonic plague will experience swollen lymph nodes all over the body and also other symptoms which includes fever, headache, fatigue and muscle aches. From 2010 to 2015, there have been over 3,200 reported cases of bubonic plague in which 584 deaths have happened. In the early period, that is in the 14th century, bubonic plague resulted in Black Death in Asia, Europe and Africa. It caused the death of 50 million people, which is around 25% to 60% of the European population. When the dangerous severe acute respiratory syndrome SARS broke out, the world pleaded to China to ban eating wild animals. However, the eating of wild animals, live animal markets continued. Even though the Chinese government announced ban in eating wild animals, why there are still new outbreaks arose from China? It started with coronavirus, swine flu, and now with Black Death. Is China government and Chinese true on the ban of eating wild animals? Comment your views below the video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and click on the notification button for the next video.